it's Madeline. Thank you so much for being here to watch my video. I am going to be showing you how to achieve this very smoky fall makeup tutorial. If you enjoy this tutorial, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, check out my Instagram, all that good stuff. I also want to talk to you guys about Ana Luisa Jewelry again. I have been working with them for I think exactly a year now, and I am obsessed with their jewelry, you guys. So the pieces that I'm wearing today, this is the Nala ring.
Funny, but when
these first hoops are the Toda. And then these little guys back here are the Cassie earrings. I wanted to show you guys these earrings in both artificial lighting and natural lighting just to really show you how gorgeous they are either way. They also have some incredible sales going on right now. They have 20% off of everything, and they are also going to have more sales coming up for Black Friday, so you guys should definitely keep your eye out on those. They have been such an amazing brand to work with, you guys. My ears have been so sensitive ever since I was a little girl. These do not irritate my ears at all. Normally they would get like, it's nasty, but like swollen, pussy, I mean, with any of my other earrings that are not from Ana Luisa. So I am obsessed with their jewelry. Thank you, Ana Luisa, for saving my sensitive ears. But seriously, guys, I wore their earrings on our wedding day and they are just stunning. The quality of their pieces are gorgeous. So you'll see me wearing these throughout the video. And if you are interested in checking out their page, click the link in my bio. I also have a personalized coupon code for you guys. So definitely give Ana Luisa a try. But without further ado, let's just go ahead and dive into this smoky fall makeup tutorial. Alright, you guys, let's just get ready from start to finish together. So to begin, I will be using my Neutrogena Hydroboost Gel Hyaluronic Acid Moisturizer. Is it weird that I only use one hand to apply my skincare product? Because I feel like that's weird. Okay, I'm gonna add a little extra around my mouth. I don't know what it is. I don't have bad eczema. I used to get kind of flared up when I was younger, but with it being colder, it always ends up being like right around this area. I get little dry, itchy patches. Then I'll be going in with my Super Goop matte screen for a primer. This is great at controlling my oils. And then you get that SPF protection too. Okay, so now I am just going to wait a little bit to let this all sink into my skin. But when it's time, I will be going in with my Laura Mercier Flawless. Every time I start filming, Ember. Flawless Fusion Ultra Long Wear Foundation. This is in the shade 3N1 Buff. It might be a little too tan. We will see how it goes. I just want to reach for something that I have not used in a hot minute, and this is it. And it's pretty darn close to matching my self tan, so we will give this a try all over again. So I'm just gonna use a fairly small amount of this. So I am just blending this out with my Beauty Creation sponge. They have my most favorite sponges ever. So soft and affordable. So I know I got this foundation actually at TJ Maxx for like a fraction of the price of what it actually is. And it's still sold at Sephora and everything for full price. But I'm not too sure if they still sell this at TJ Maxx. You know, you gotta get down, baby boy. This foundation just takes so long to blend out. Like, I love the finish of it, but it has kind of like a moussey look to it. It can be kind of latchy if it's not perfectly blended. But at some point, you just kind of give up and hope for the best. Going in with my Dior Forever Concealer in the shade 0N. So I'm just gonna lock everything down with my Colourpop translucent no filter setting powder, and just using this little triangle powder puff that I found on Amazon. I'm just gonna have my mirror a bit closer for this part. Sometimes it's hard to believe that this powder is translucent, but once it's blended in, it's not bad. I swear my first jar of this powder did not leave this bad of a white cast on my face. It's almost like they incorrectly labeled this and it's like the light shade. I don't know. I mean, I love this setting powder. It's so affordable and it's gorgeous on the skin, very smoothing, and it controls my oily skin so well. Okay, let's warm this up. I'm gonna start with my contour. So for my nose, I am very picky about my nose contour. I just use this Dior Backstage contour palette. Honestly, it's all because of Stephanie Letta, SMLXO. I love her. I've watched her videos for probably like a decade now. But I just go in with this color here and apply it with my finger. And just gonna blend that out. Then for my cheekbones, I'm using my Natasha Denona Contour Sculpting Powder. This is in the shade 02 Medium. And I'll also kind of put this around the perimeter of my face. There we go. Slowly but surely putting life back into my face. Bronzing with the Tastic bronzer. There we go. Back to just having nice bright under eyes, not a whole face of brightness. I could have really used some more blush, honestly. I feel like that's definitely the one thing that I lack. Okay, I think I want to go in with my KKW Beauty Honey Pot blush, just because like that's kind of more the tone that I'm trying to go for. And I'm applying this with my Morphe X Ariel A3.2 brush. Her blush is so weird because it's so powdery. There's so much kickback, but it's like, where is the color payoff? And for highlight, I am going in with my Dior Forever Couture Luminizer. And this is in Nude Glow. Then I'm just using my Morphe Jaclyn Hill JH07 brush to apply this. This is my current obsession. I'm just gonna put a little bit down my nose. I like Mama's perfume. He loves scents so much. His favorite scent is my hair after showering. After I apply my Davines all-in-one milk or whatever, or I don't know what it's called. He is obsessed with the smell of that. For my eyebrows, going in with the Colourpop Brow Pencil in the shade Dark Brown. So for the eyes, I want something smoky, gold, fall. I'm going to start off with the Natasha Denona Glam palette, but then I'll also be going in with the Good as Gold by Colourpop. I'm first going to start by packing crease on my lid with the MX Ariel 829 brush. And also just going to put a little bit of this underneath my eye. Then I am going to use the shade Blend here and blend this out. And this is the A11 brush. I swear these Morphe brushes by Ariel are the best Morphe brushes ever. They are so soft instead of scratchy. Then I'm going to pack on some of this smoke shade here with the A20 brush. Just deepen that up a little bit, give it some more warmth. And I'm going to do the blend shade with the A19 brush underneath my eyes. Now all I'm going to do is just put some gold in my inner corners. So I'm actually going to start with the center eyelid shade in the corner here. And I'm going to use the Morphe Jaclyn Hill JH52. Oh yeah, that is perfect. I actually am gonna add just a little bit of this golden touch on the bottom here. Alright, then I'm just gonna do a very thin line of black eyeliner. This is the Maybelline Hyper Easy Brush Tip Liner. And going in with my Colourpop Swerve Cream Gel Liner. Just gonna put this on my upper waterline. And before going in with mascara, I am going to lock this all in with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Now using the Ilia Limitless Lash Mascara, I'm just going to do a thin coat of this because we will be going in with lashes next. Just combing through with my J-Cap Beauty eyelash comb. Alright, so next up, lashes. So I'm going to be going in with the Lily Lashes Light Mink in Miami Light and using Lily Lashes Black Brush On Lash Adhesive. These are honestly my current favorite lashes right now. I love them so much. Okay, I thought that my lighting was just getting like worse and worse. My light was dying, so I need to hurry before it dies again. I'm gonna be prepping my lips with the Vive Lip Dew. And I'm lining with the Kylie Cosmetics Coconut Lip Liner. And I'm going in with my super nude lipstick. This is the Dose of Color Sand. And I am going to gloss it up with my Morphe X Madison Beer lipstick in the shade Mercury. Or lip gloss, I mean. Alright you guys, that completes this look. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Also, do not forget to check out Ana Luisa Jewelry, you guys. I seriously love every single piece that I own from them. They are such high quality. It's high-end jewelry without that high-end price tag. You're paying for great quality, but you aren't going to completely break the bank. So just go ahead and click that link in my description box to give their website a look. But if you like this tutorial and this makeup look, please don't forget to thumbs up this video and also click that little subscribe button down below to help my channel grow. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye!